Hey, what's up, Theta Network coin holders? What's going on this time? Theta Network will get a profit 2.26%. Price is increased 7 days in last 7 days. So definitely it's temporary pump, but also my friend, you can see they were temporary fail. As you can see at this time, they were fails down for a short time, but after that, I'm 100% sure they will pump up because every coin were fails down. For example, like that. After this short fails, they will pump up. So therefore, I will tell you, my friends, for all holders, this is very important to understand. To after a dump, every coin will pumps up, and Theta Network will very badly fails down, my friend. In previous days, in last 1 month, as you can see, my friend. If we check out, so just in only you can see here, this is my friend in the end of October. You can see, my friend, this is the 24 September 24. You can see here to start September 28. So to October, my friend, you can see here this time they will completely go to the moon. But after that, you can see, my friend, October 11, October 15, October 19, they were very badly fails down. So what a big reason, my friend? What's the big reasons to they were fails down, my friend? So I found, my friends, two reasons. The first reason was that, my friends, to short time investors starting selling, and the second, my friend, was that after a huge pump, every coin will dumps down. So therefore, in the previous days, my friends, they will completely go to the moon. So therefore, in this time, they were fails down. But don't worry, my friends, Theta Network will again starting moving upward, and I hope they will recover this loss and give you a very good profit. But for that, you will need to hold on and wait for the end of month. I hope, my friends, so they will give you some unknown, unbelievable huge pump, my friends. So absolutely, they will give you a very good profit. But please, you will need to hold on. Thanks for watching Theta Network holders. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.